Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Today's video is simply going to be a client update. If you are not new to my channel, then you know that I have been working on an entire home interior design project for the last few months. So my client has gotten a few packages in. Some new decor has came in which I have selected for her home. So I'm just kind of touching bases, kind of deciding where things are going. So if you are interested in this interior design update, then keep watching. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So the next area that I'm working on in my client's home is actually the office. We're waiting on a few more pieces for the office, but for the most part, everything has came in. This is just a lamp that recently arrived for her office. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it unboxed and set up. Just to share a few of the decor items that was selected for my client's office, here is a beautiful piece of artwork that will actually be hung right here over the file cabinet. And I also selected a rug that has similar detailing to her actual desk, if you can tell. But it's going to be absolutely gorgeous once completed. Okay, lifestyle lovers, moving on to the items for the living area. This mirror arrived and I just want to go ahead and unwrap it and make sure that it's intact and not damaged. My client advised that she wanted a full length mirror for her living area and she wanted something that was a statement piece. So you guys are going to see once I unbox it what it is. It is the infamous gilt mirror from Restoration Hardware, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Now this makes a statement. Okay, lifestyle lovers, here's a sneak peek of the unfinished space thus far. There is a decorate with me here on my channel for this eat-in kitchen area. If you are interested, I will link it in the description box. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so just moving on to the loft area, I have sourced some tabletop decor for my clients, so I'm just going to go ahead and place these items on the credenza. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I just wanted to give you an update of the interior design project that I have been working on. Most of these areas are near completion, and I will have full videos on my channel of Decorate With Me, so make sure that you are subscribed. If you are interested in following this project from the very beginning, check the description box and I will link all of the videos. That pretty much concludes my interior design client update. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.